Right, we just got to South Downs Road, lovely resurfaced track, and we're going to go christen my mate's Tenere 700 because he hasn't really been off-road yet, so let's go. Unfortunately, this isn't actually how my day started, although I wish it was. So, let me take you back a little while. Yep, my day started out on me finding out I had a fucking screw straight through the rear tyre. But this is how I got from a punctured tyre to riding the trails for 2 hours. So we're on the way to the tyre shop now. Going to go to Russ's Tyres in Portsmouth. They fitted my tyres in the first place, and hopefully they'll just be able to patch it up because it's right dead centre in the tyre. And being a brand new set, you know, I'd like to get them fixed rather than replaced straight away if I can. So yeah, we're just on our way now, and then hopefully we'll be out riding later with a usable tyre. How's it going? Check this out. Right, I'm going to go and get the wheel out. Done and dusted within 2 hours. Alright, let's get going. So this is actually my mate in front. He's got a brand new bike, and he's just passed his test, so it's pretty exciting. Got another lovely Yamaha Tenere 700, beautiful bike. So yeah, I'm just testing out the microphone as well. I wonder if you can hear without wind too much. I used to have a dead cat, but I've lost that when I came off in Devon. In case you haven't seen that, in Devon when I went on a little 3-day tour. If you haven't seen that already, go over to my YouTube channel, check that out. If you're bored, there's quite a few of them, so good indicating at the last minute there. So I doubt you'll be able to hear very well, but I'll improve that for next time anyway. But for now, just enjoy the ride. Perfect. We stopped off for a quick coffee before heading to the trails in Clanfield, and I think I might have picked up a new subscriber on the way. Oto, it's BallaMOTO, so OTO. Just started off. Nice one. Cheers, mate. Right, we just got to South Downs Road, lovely resurfaced track, and we're going to go christen my mate's Tenere 700 because he hasn't really been off-road yet, so let's go.
Unfortunately, as with the theme of today, this is where my battery died, so this is all the footage I managed to get. But if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, I'll see you in the next one.